Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register using the Cash App application. So first of all, of course, you would like to have the Cash application on your phone. So if you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that and maybe log into your account, and maybe this video is not even necessarily for you. So of course, first of all, let me just tell you that Cash application is just currently used on the United States. So if you are not from United States, I will show you a trick using this application today. So after you launch the application, of course, they will tell you to add your email or your phone number here. So you can add whatever you want. So for me, let's just as an example, add my email here and click on next. As you can see, they will send you a code. Okay, let me just go back and yeah, sorry, I would like to change my email. That's why I went out, because this email I guess is already used on this application. So let me just get my other email and I'm coming back. So that will be my email. All I need to do, just hit the next button here. And as you can see, you should enter the code sent to this email. So all you need to do, just go to your Gmail or your email and check your inbox. They will send you a code. All you need to do, just copy it and come here and paste it. Then as you can see, click at next. Of course, first of all, I forgot to say that, but make sure that you are using a VPN if you are not from United States, because this application will not even be found on your store, or even if you found it in your store, it will not work for you. So all you need to do is just use a VPN. For me, I'm using this Proton VPN and connects it to United States. So as you can see here, if I want to choose my country, all I need to do, just go here and click at United States. Here, of course, if you want to link a bank using your debit card or anything, just go and link it. If you don't want to, just go and click at skip. Of course, you would like to add your first name and your last name. Of course, let's just add whatever for me now and click at next. Here, and of course, you would like to choose a tag, a cash tag. Maybe let's just leave, or just do this, be happy, whatever, and 0 until this next turn into white, because as you can see, be happy 0 is unavailable because someone maybe is using it. We'll just add here some random numbers maybe. As you can see now, I can use this. We click at next. All I need you to do now is just enter your zip code, of course. So let me just add my zip code here. And of course here you can invite your friends to get $15. So after entering the 54321, make sure to add this, because if you didn't add this zip code, they will ask you to add your address, to add a lot of other things that you don't want to get into it. So make sure to add the same zip code that I add, which is 54321. Then if you want to add to invite friend, you can invite them by name, phone, or email, or you can just go and click at the X. And of course, as you can see here, welcome to Cash App, and that will be your application and you will be good to go. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.